Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making kadhai paneer. For that we have taken bell peppers of all three colors and paneer, that is 250 grams. To remove the raw flavor I am putting some salt in it, then red chili powder, turmeric powder and lemon juice. This way when you will fry this paneer you will not get the raw flavor in the actual dish. Now mix it with the hand or with the help of the spoon and keep it aside for 10 minutes and then we will fry it in a pan. Here I have taken a pan and I have put some oil in it. Once it will get heated up, we will drop paneer pieces like this for shallow frying them. I'll put all the paneer pieces like this and I'll shallow fry them on medium-high flame like this. It is almost done for me. Now I will remove it in a plate for using it later on. Like this I'll remove it. And in the same oil I'll fry these capsicums or bell peppers also. You can avoid taking the same oil, but keep in mind that this oil is also having salt content because we just fried paneer in it. Once it is done, remove it on a plate. All these bell peppers and paneer are ready. Now we will cook for the masala. In the leftover oil I'll put these roughly cut tomatoes and onions. I have taken about 1.5 medium size cut tomato and 1 large onion, and I'll toss it on the medium-high flame, and after that I'll make a mixture of it. I have covered it to cook it quickly. If you are making it for the more people, you are making more masala, you can put salt at this time also so that it gets cooked very easily and quickly. Now I'll make a paste out of it once it will get cooled down. Now in a pan I'll take some oil again to prepare the actual dish. Once it will get heated up, I'll put zeera around ½ tablespoon, ginger which is roughly chopped by me, bay leaf, garlic and these peppercorns. Roast them a bit on a high flame. Once it will get golden brown in color, what you need to do is you need to put entire blended mixture of tomato and onion into it. Like this. This will make your gravy thicker just like restaurants. Give it a stir. As the mixture, this blended mixture is already cooked, so you need not to worry to overcook it. So cook the entire dish now on the high flame or the medium high flame. Now it's time to add 1/4 cup of curd. It should not be sour in nature. I have added curd and I'll give a mix to it. Now it's the time to add little bit of salt, red chili powder, pinch of haldi, that is turmeric, coriander powder, around 1 tablespoon I have used. Spices you can take according to your taste, and do keep in mind that your vegetables which you have sauteed already have salt in it. Now it's a time to add kasuri methi. Around 1 tablespoon kasuri methi I have taken, and according to the gravy consistency of the dish you can add fresh cream to it. I have used about 1/4 cup of fresh cream. You can add according to your wish what kind of consistency you like in the dish. Keep the flame high and let it get cooked, all this curd and this cream mixture. and give it a stir. Once you will feel that it is done, start adding these capsicum and paneer cubes to it and give it a mix. At this time also you can add salt once your capsicum and paneer goes into it, so that you can come to know that what exactly or how much amount of salt is required more. Give it a mix, keep it covered, cook it covered for some time, and then you can serve it hot with your chapatis or naan or tandoori roti. My dish is fully cooked. Now I'll sprinkle over coriander leaves and some amount of garam masala. Give it a mix, and before serving, don't forget to remove this bay leaf if you want to, otherwise you can keep it this way only, and serve it hot. Enjoy this dish and try it and mention in the comment how did you like this restaurant style kadhai paneer. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.